Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Summer is about enjoying the weather, outdoor activities, and cooking outside. There are so many popular foods that we like grilling, such as chicken, steaks, burgers, hot dogs, fish, pork chops, vegetables, and so on. Talking about fish, here's an amazing recipe for the barbecue. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Tarragon Limoncello Halibut. Quick and easy to make, this is a fantastic grilled recipe on a barbie. The combination of ingredients doesn't overpower the delicate flavor of the halibut. This is a lovely barbecue recipe that you'll be enjoying this summer. So my friends, let's get cooking. First, let's make the butter sauce. In a small bowl, we'll combine melted butter, some olive oil, limoncello liqueur. Now, if you want to make your own, click on the top right corner of your screen. Then we'll also add a fresh tarragon, some lemon zest, and ground sea salt. We'll give a quick stir to blend the ingredients before pouring half of it in a small saucepan. We'll transfer it to the stove and keep it warm while we take care of the fish. Now, we'll place enough lemon slices so the entire fillet can sit on top. We don't want the flesh to touch the bottom of the foil, okay? Then we'll transfer the halibut on the lemon slices, skin side down, and then we'll brush generously with the butter sauce. Not the one that is warming up on the stove, but the room temperature one from the small bowl. We'll season with ground sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a little hot paprika sprinkle on top. Then we'll gather the tin foil together, fold it over, and crimp it. We'll do the same with the ends. We'll place the halibut on a perforated grill topper and transfer to the barbecue, which the temperature should be around 500 to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll grill for 15 to 20 minutes or until the fish flakes easily with a fork. Before serving the halibut, we'll spoon the warm butter sauce on top for extra yumminess. And my friends, this is our Tarragon Limoncello Halibut. Very light and tasty, this is a fish recipe made for the warm summer months. The combination of ingredients complement the delicate flavor of the halibut, and in less than 30 minutes, you can serve this amazing dish to your friends and family. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!